Let's see if you can solve this in under 10 seconds. Ready? Start. Time up. And the answer is 14 over 15. Did you get it? If not, now let's solve it together. To solve something like this, we will have to first convert this into an improper fraction. 2 times 7 is 14. Then 14 plus 1 is 15. So we have 15 over 2 here. Then we have 7 divided by 15 over 2. Then we turn this, we change this division into multiplication so that we have 7 times 2 over 15, and 7 times 2 is 14. So we have 14 over 15. Did you get the answer? Let me know in the comments. And if you have any question you want me to solve for you, click on the link in the description to leave your question and I will bring the solution your way.